Mr. Lecky on the beat.
It's your favorite boy Peasy, and you're welcome to the 4th annual bonfire show in Cyprus along the Lefkosia Guinea Road. And now we're just arriving at the scene, and everywhere people are just arriving, and it's all fun, and we're trying to get there though. But you guys should stay tuned and watch out for more. Man, how you doing, man?
Yeah, I'm alright, I'm cool, man.
Okay, so actually this is the 4th annual bonfire. This is your first time?
Yeah, no. I actually here last year, and it's pretty cool. The massive turnout was, so 100% in here. So this is my first time of coming here. I came here last year, and the massive turnout here was so crazy.
Alright, so what are your expectations for tonight?
Honestly, I'm one of the DJ tonight. I'm DJ Estimate, if you don't know. So tonight it's going to be massive. As for me, the standard DJ, I would.
You're going to blow our minds, I guess.
Of course, man. We'll bring everything here on the standard level, 100% massive.
Alright.
Mr. Lecky on the beat.
Alright guys, you're welcome. And with me I have
MC Jerry, aka To Your Body.
Okay, now how are you enjoying this party tonight?
Yeah, I actually just came, but I know I'm going to enjoy. Definitely.
It's your first time?
Yeah, this is my first time.
Okay, so what are your expectations for tonight?
What should I expect? Yeah, everything good, I just want to have fun. Understand? Yeah, all work and no play make Jacks a double. I just want to have fun.
Mr. Lecky on the beat.
Okay, what it was, Kaz? It's your boy Ajabo up on the microphone. You already know.
All right, now, so Ajabo, nice meeting you. Is this your first time coming for the bonfire night?
Yeah, actually, it's my first time, but yeah, it's my first time. Yeah.
Okay, now, so what are your expectations for tonight?
The reason why I'm here tonight because I heard the bonfire is always lit, you know, like girls, guys, everywhere is always chilled. So I just came to feed my eyes.
Now, Tebs, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm okay. How you enjoying the whole bonfire stuff?
I like it. It's a freebie kind of, event. Everyone is chilling, we get our own alcohol. We chilling.
All right. This is your first time?
No, it's my third year.
So how has it been so far? Is this like the previous or it's better?
I mean, I must say it is better. It's more organized. Everyone seems settled, but it's cool. I like it.
All right, okay. Yeah, guys. Okay, so what's your name? Tell me your name.
My name is Shay.
Shay.
Yeah.
Like Shay. Where are you from?
Shay. Kenya.
Kenya. Oh, you look nice.
Oh, thank you. You too.
Oh, okay. Didn't know. Thanks very much. So, how are you enjoying the whole bonfire thing tonight?
Oh, it is. I am enjoying it. It's lovely.
Really?
Yeah.
This is your first time?
Really enjoy it. It is my first time being in a bonfire.
Wow.
I haven't gone out in so long.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you're having fun?
I am. I'm enjoying it.
Okay, that's nice. So, what are your expectations for tonight?
Having a great time. And my babe's here as well.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Having a great time going by the fire. We're gonna go by the fire later on.
Okay.
And get, tipsy.
And turn up.
Turn up.
All right. With me is
Jessica.
all right. Nice meeting you. How's the party been so far?
It's been quite fun so far.
Is it the first time?
Yeah, it is.
So, what's the expectation for tonight?
A lot of fun, food, games, and basically that, yeah.
Really? Buzo, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right. So now, welcome to the 4th annual bonfire in Cyprus.
I probably might take your job, man. You know what I mean? Because you're not even doing it properly, man. Welcome to Bonfire, the 4th annual. As you can see, I'm taking over his job.
All right, it's allowed.
You know what I mean? So I'm going to be asking you questions, man. Where you from? What's your name is, bro?
My name is Pizzy.
Peasy, man. What you do for a living, bro?
Man, I'm a presenter for a living.
Is it? So you going to present me now? Handle this, man. You know what I mean? I'm just playing with him, man. You know what I mean? So,
all right, man. All right. Now, so, how are you enjoying the party so far?
It's lit, as you can see, man. If the camera can follow me, man, you're like, the vibe is crazy, man. You got me, like, it's like summer in this, man. But it's midnight though, but it's really, really nice.
Hope you're having fun.
Energy. Of course I am, man. Come on, man. I'm having mad fun and things. You feel me? Like,
all right.
Look at me. Do I look like I'm bored?
I can see your tons already.
Look, I'm bored.
I can see your tons
Look
already.
at me from head to toe. Do I look bored and things?
For sure.
Yo, are you looking at me? Do I look bored? Like, yo, do I look bored? Nah, sir.
All right.
Man, I look bored, man, and things. You see me? Sound it like that, man. What's it?